tell me I could win $10,000 a month for life. Well, guess what? I already won $10,000 a month for life. I happen to build some internet businesses, and now I make 10 to 20 times more than this. You know what? People just want to learn how they can quit their stupid jobs. It's a bunch of BS. You're going to learn right now a little bit about how you can quit your job and get on the freaking Jamie train. You know it's not my parents' house because they wouldn't have allowed me to have this in the living room. This actually isn't the living room. Got the movie theater on the first floor. Most people have it in the basement. Affiliate marketing, selling domains, making money with YouTube, doing your own launches, your own funnels, your own digital products, your own Kindle books. You're gonna learn all of it. You're gonna see some sick stats.
Multiple 7-figure launches for my accolades, pumping out 6 to 8-figure proteges.
It's number 6 in the entire internet. All right, not just one little subcategory niche marketing. We're talking big time mainstream takeover marketing. You know what I mean? I got the nasty stats. Got the pool, driving fancy cars all the time. Got the gold, got the cash. So rich, gotta wear sunglasses or this mask. First class or private jets, trips to Vegas, all done on the internet. Wake up at 2 in the afternoon. That's right, I made my own hat, all right? We don't root for no teams, but we create our own team, you know what I mean? This ain't an MLM. Welcome to my garage. I'm able to fulfill all the needs around the yard, and that's my garage. Thanks for checking it out. I would recommend that you read a book. Hello?
Hey! Hey! I'm trying to make money on the internet. I gave them all my money. I'm living down in some guy's basement. I need help, man, please! These people are ripping me off dirty, man!
Man, that really rubs me raw. You know, it's one of my best fans, man. They keep buying all of this internet business stuff from gurus and getting jerked around. He's signed up for a seminar, spent all this money, ends up being coached by some little kid in a cubicle in some office building.
Why don't you get 4 or 5 students out here to fly them up to your house?
So what's the deal?
We got some people coming.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Mike, Teresa, Steve, and Wayne.
Students are coming to us to meet these guys and see what they're all about. Hello, sir. What's your name?
My name is Wayne Reynolds.
Who are you, sir?
I'm Steve.
You're a very great man.
I'm a newbie.
If a domain name is evaluated at $4,000, how much would you sell it for? What is the internet? Let's do this! This is going to go against everything that you've been taught. No Teresa making money. No Teresa making the big bank. Oh. When you think about, oh, I made $5 million since 2011, that actually is something that you could have done if you would have just listened to me. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Internet marketing. What we're gonna talk about, how to make money with digital assets. Right? Yes. What, you're skeptic? It's the bomb. It's gonna open your eyes to like how to do cool funnels and how to make money from YouTube. That's pretty fun to do. It's a lot more fun than working at a gas station where you work, you know what I mean? That's why y'all gotta put things in perspective. It's like, I could be doing a lot of things, but I chose to make this program because it's the bomb. So, if you're assuming like, oh, he has bad intentions, I mean, there's nothing I could do for you. Just don't buy it then. Get down, get in, feed a man to fish, and teach a man to fish. You're gonna be able to, you know what I mean? Make things happen. Yo, very, very hot. Guess what? Here's the good news. It's free, all right? You're not even gonna have to pay at all. The whole time I knew I was gonna give it to you for free because I just punked you. You're getting in free training, free webinars, free everything. You excited? You're gonna be able to use this software. You're gonna be able to get down with us. You're gonna have access to the newsletter where you get all the new stuff with me. If you don't like it, just unsubscribe. No risk. You thought that this was a scam. It's the best thing since sliced bread. We're gonna smash the communists together. They're just a bunch of haters. It's done like choppity chop, slap slap. It's the worst experience you're ever gonna have. You're gonna sign up to my thing, the boogeyman's gonna come at you. Billions of dollars are taken from the American people. Not many people actually do win, which kinda sucks. It's not really nice. Sign up below and learn how you can turn this into a reality where people can start their own businesses. That's why I want you to sign up below, and I'm going to show you how to start internet businesses, and you can do it for free. All right? I'm not going to charge you any money like these guys do. All right? So sign up below and let's get started. This is Jamie Lewis signing out. It's stuffyourbank.com.